Good morning, students. Now we move on to the next topic, that is finding the increase percent or decrease percent. In the last session we have already completed exercise 8.1 and we have already learned that how to compare two quantities, how to find the percentage. Okay, now here we have to find what is the increase rate or what is the decrease rate in terms of percentage. So to understand this concept, we have to take one example. See in your textbook, the example is given. I am just reading the concept. We often come across such information in our daily life as 25% of an mark price. Normally in the festival time or in the normal any kind of festivals are there are some kind of discount or some kind of percentage are offered, that 25% off on mark price or 55% off on mark price or 10% off on mark price. What is that? So that means they are just giving you benefits on that particular mark price. Okay, and 10% hike in the price of petrol. Hike means decrease. Okay, off means also decrease. So this is all about how you can find how you can take that term increase and decrease. Increase means there is a increase in the mark price, or you can say suppose 10% rise in the petrol cost, 5% decrease in the diesel cost. What is that? Increase, decrease, that is the percentage on the basis of 100. Okay, so we calculate how to consider the increase rate or decrease rate in terms of percentage. So see the question, example 2. The price of scooter was rupees 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20% this year. What is the price now? Okay, so last year if you have purchased your vehicle in 30,000 or 35,000, after 2 years maybe the same vehicle is there but the price has increased. So that is your increase rate. But that rate you have to count in terms of percentage, then how will you count? So let's see. So what is the price of scooter? So price of scooter is equal to rupees 34,000. That is for the last year. Now it increased by 20%. So it increased by 20%. We don't know कि after 20% increase what is the price of that particular scooter, so that we have to find. So this 20% of what? So this 20% of this 34,000, whatever price is there for the last year for the same scooter, now this year the price is increased by 20%, but that 20% on the basis of the last year's price. So what we have to find? We have to find 20% of 34,000 is what? So let's see. So 20% of 34,000 is equal to 20 divided by 100. We have to remove the percentage sign and off by multiplication. 34,000 is 20 will get cancelled. So what is the price? 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6, 68, 1 and 2 0. 6,800 means last year the price of scooter is 34,000. Now it increased by 6,800 rupees. So now the price is, so latest price is equal to 34,000, that is of last year, plus 20% increase, that is 6,800. Do the addition of these two. So what is the final answer? 00804. So 40,800. Last year the price of scooter was 34,000. Now the price of latest price of scooter is 40,800. Means 20% increase. After 20% increase in the price, this is the price. Okay. So this way we can find the increase rate in terms of percentage and find what is the actual cost of the particular vehicle. Suppose you are given the next. Suppose similarly a percentage decrease in price would imply finding the actual decrease followed by its from the original price. Suppose this 20% in place of increase rate, it is written as the decrease rate. So what we have to do? The same method we have to follow. 20% of 34,000, then find the amount, that is 6,800. But in place of increase, if it is written decrease, then we have to do here subtraction, not addition, because that much rate is already reduced. Means whatever total minus whatever you are getting after decrease price. So that you have to subtract and then you can find the answer. Let's see here what is given. So price of scooter is 34,000 and decrease rate is 5%. So let's see how to find this. So it decreased by 5%. So here what we have to do? We have to find what is the 5% of 34,000. Let's see. So 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 34,000. This 20 will get cancelled. So what is left? 5 for the 20, 5 to the 15, 16, 17. So what is the answer? 1,700. So that much price is reduced. Whatever the last price is there. So latest price is what? So latest price is equal to rupees 34,000 minus 1,700. So what is the answer? Rupees 00, 10 minus 7 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is 32,300. So this way we can find the increase percent in terms of price, and then we have to either reduce or increase. So this way we can calculate increase rate in terms of percentage and decrease rate in terms of percentage. Okay. Next we will see how to find the discount.